In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI image generator from Canva for free and how you can generate prompts and create amazing stuff online. First thing I want you to do is to come over here on canva.com, go on the apps, and then go on the search bar in the apps itself. In this example, guys, we're going to use the Magic Studio from Canva, and Magic Studio works very well. This is Magic Media Studio. We want to select this one, and here, guys, we're going to scroll down and choose how we're going to use the app. There's two options. Either we're going to create a brand new project, or we're going to use an existing project. You have something that you already worked on, some design for some merchandise, some logo for your website, or whatever. You can use it by simply clicking use an existing design. The second thing I'm going to choose will be the original brand new logo, brand new design, brand new project. So in this example, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create. Let's see something very nice. Let's create a phone wallpaper. Okay, when you click a phone wallpaper or a particular set of projects, you will get the default aspect ratio. But if you want to change your aspect ratio, all you gotta do is to scroll down, and here you can simply change it by portrait, landscape, or square. So in our example, we're gonna have a phone landscape, so we're gonna choose the portrait mode. Way above, you will see the different styles, the way how the prompt will perform and in what style the prompt will essentially generate your content. You can make it more filmic, more like cinematic, more like a painting, like a photo, like a dreamy, crazy stuff, or some animation. So it's all up on you. There are all also more styles. If you click see all, you will see more styles. In our example, we might actually utilize the photo look like option. So what do you want to see when you actually launch your phone? This is your phone wallpaper. So in our example, we're going to create Central Park vibe in the island. Okay, Central Park vibe in the island. Aruba. Okay, with jet ski and sailing around. Remember, we want to have something calm down, something green, something very fresh. The way how the Magic Media Studio works, it will generate 4 different variations of the image, and you can choose which one you like, which one you don't like, and then if you think that something is missing, you can add information to your prompt. So the way how this actually works is that if I scroll down, if I scroll down, you will see that you can actually click here and change. You can change the part of the prompt. So for example, if I don't like the Aruba stuff, right, I can go back and I can come over and just say, create a Central Park vibe in the city of, let's say, Vegas, and generate again. And now guys, we are going to have I believe 4 different variations without any issues, because they're pretty strict using names or brands. So look at this is absolutely amazing. Just look at this. Remember, we can make this larger by simply adjusting the edges and dragging the edges to the sides, and this will not reduce the quality. Okay guys, this will simply keep the quality as is. So now we have the Central Park vibe, we have the fountain that is down on the lower side of the park, and then we have all these cool buildings around Vegas, right? Palazzo. Nice. This is what I meant, guys. You need to use your imagination, and you need to, put as many details as possible, so you're gonna get the best results. But this is how you can create your, remember, this is gonna be your wallpaper every day, which is very, very cool. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.